Welcome the our channel. Today we how to deploy educational travel with Road Scholar, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Road Scholar website. Navigate to the Programs section to explore different educational travel offerings. Select a program that interests you, keeping in mind your preferred destinations and learning themes. Read the program description carefully to understand the itinerary, activities, and educational focus. Check the program dates and availability to find a time that works for you. Review the pricing details, including any additional costs for meals, transportation, or excursions. Look for any specific requirements or prerequisites related to the program. If you have questions, reach out to Road Scholar's customer service for clarification. Once you've chosen your program, proceed to the registration page. Fill out the required personal information accurately. Select your preferred payment option and complete the payment process. After registration, you will receive a confirmation email with further details. Begin preparing for your trip by reviewing the suggested packing list. Familiarize yourself with any reading materials or pre-trip assignments related to your program. Set a schedule for travel arrangements, including flights or local transportation. Stay informed about any travel advisories or health recommendations pertinent to your destination. Engage with fellow participants through online forums or social media groups if available. Arrive at the meeting point on the designated date and time. Participate actively in all activities and discussions during your educational travel experience. Keep an open mind and embrace the learning opportunities presented throughout your journey. Reflect on your experiences after the trip and consider sharing your insights with your community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.